Hey mate, welcome to Old Mate Adventures.
Hi, I'm Kel.
And I'm Jed. For nearly 3 years we've been semi-retired, trekking, camping and hunting our way around Australia.
Follow along as we live life on our own terms, exploring the great outdoors and sharing our adventures.
And then just like that, back in the southwest, today we're going fishing. First time in the ocean for 6 months, I reckon, maybe a little bit more. So no, it'll be good. I'm just taking the nephew out. He's mad keen on fishing these days, and yeah, we're just gonna putt out and yeah, just see if we can get a few Hezzas. Maybe go for a skippy sleigh. Have a drift over a few of the spots I go diving on and see if there's any dewies or anything like that around. And then tomorrow another storm comes, so we've got this small window of opportunity, and we'll see how we go.
Feels like I'm getting snagged on seaweed every now and then.
It might be a little bit on the coming up to it.
Oh, there we go, that's it. Get
Huh?
hit. There we go.
Oh, what have we got? Silver. Wrasse. Oh, that's the good bait one. Nice. Yeah, we'll keep that for bait. Oh, more of a skippy. Maybe.
Oh no, Charlie, is it?
This is one of those like
Charlie Core things.
yeah. Wrasse, I think.
Are you on the floor?
Yeah, I was on the bottom. Oh no, big ghost fish. Fucking big.
Yep.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh. What have we got?
A wrasse, I think. Feels like it. Oh.
Oh, ghosty. Playing with it.
There we go.
Oh, yep, that's good.
Yeah.
Yep, I'll get mine out of the way. Yeah, just let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Yep. See what I mean? Don't touch the drag. Might have got a sambo. Might not have been. Might be a snapper. Yep. Just go steady. Steady on it. If it wants to run, just let it run. Woohoo! Go real slow. Yeah, that's it.
I want to get the net out.
Yeah, you're right. We'll wait till we see some colour. Just don't let that line go slack. If it wants to go down, just let it go down. Is it wearing you out?
My left arm hurts.
I can see some colour.
Oh yeah. Big pinky.
Alright,
Huge
go slow on it.
Is it pinky?
It's hard to tell.
Looks like big pinky.
Alright, go steady on it. Go slow, go slow, go slow, yeah. That's it.
Let take it.
Yeah. Don't touch your drag.
I'm not, I'm just on my reel.
Yeah, it's a good size pinky. It's a lovely one.
Yeah.
Right, go slow, go slow. Don't lift it out of the water either.
Is that even close to a metre though?
Nah,
Like
it's good
80?
that. It's, yeah, it's pretty close.
Jesus Christ.
Let it go, let it go.
Definitely not baby.
But now you gotta go into the net. Yeah! Woohoo! Nice!
Oh my god.
Alright, let some drag off a little bit. And let the bail off a little bit, yeah, if you want. Woohoo! We can go home now. High five. Yeah. Yeah, beauty. Oh, Maxy has PB'd. Good size snapper there, eh? And he's taken the old single drop there. Boom, hold her up. What do you got there?
69, 68.
Oh yeah, nice. There you go, cool.
Yep, that's the
Cool.
Yep. Might look on up.
Yep, keep going. I'll get mine out of the way.
It's not as big, but
Might be a big skippy, go slow on it.
yeah, you can see colour.
Oh, might be a little pinky.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, a little one. Nice. Right. Hey. That'd be good if you were in the East Coast. Nice one. Alright,
Yeah.
we'll send him back. Beauty.
Wrasse, I think.
Oh, wrasse. Yep. Nice wrasse.
Come on. Get one or nothing. Yeah, there we go. Oh, come on. Oh, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that's a decent size one too. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah. You go, you can leave.
Here you go, I'm going to steer the boat. Still on? Yeah.
Boy, come off.
Yeah, grabbed it. Nice one. Yeah, one thing you always got to be careful of, if you've got two lures out and they're both sinking lures and heavy, you stop to grab one, the other one will just sink down to the bottom. Yeah, I'm on my way to meet Wayno at the boat ramp. First dive for the season, and the wind has literally just come in. It's nearly, we've left it a bit late. It's about a bit after 8 o'clock. Yeah, we just thought we'd go out and see what the water's like and see if we can grab a crayfish or two. But yeah, we'll see what that wind's doing. It wasn't supposed to pick up till lunchtime, and it was supposed to be pretty flat this morning. But just driving to the boat ramp, and it's a little breezy on the tops of the trees, so we'll see how we go. Might be over before it started. Yeah, the first one off Bunbury is usually pretty murky. You can get some results, but it's never a nice dive. It's shit house actually. But anyway, the gear's all ready to roll, and we'll give it a crack.
It's always a good thing when you pop up and the boat's still there.
It was pretty murky, but we got a couple. I got one that was a bit of a donkey.
Yeah, it's on.
He's in.
He's in.
Happy days. He's a good one too. Look at that beauty, that one. Oh well, we ended up with 8. We'll try another little spot, see how we go.
Hey? Oh, I thought you said you tried to get your fin off and you farted. Oh. Yeah, that happens. Oh.
Hi.
Hello. We are house sitting at the moment, and the Hezza ex-world champs wife's
Brother-in-law.
brother's house.
And he's also very good friends with the current world champ.
Yeah.
So he's like kind of world champ by association.
World champ entourage.
Yeah.
And anyway, yeah, this morning I actually went for my first dive for the season. Me and Wayno bagged out, so which is pretty good for the first dive of the season. It was murky as shit, and yeah, it's always murky on the first one, which is yeah, you just got to roll with it and see how you go. But anyway, in celebration of us getting a couple of crays, Kel's going to cook her signature cray dish of
Pesto pasta.
yeah, with crayfish. So yeah, it's pretty simple, eh?
Yeah.
Just fettuccine,
Crayfish.
pesto,
Bit of
chorizo.
some pesto. We'll chuck a bit of baby spinach in there as well, and then just for a little bit of green, and then a little bit of parmesan on top.
That's it, eh? Pretty good, pretty basic. Peel that sucker out of there. Ooh. And there's the poo tube. It can stay there. And we're just going to chop them up into just popcorn chicken size pieces. Lovely. Done.
There you go.
Cheers. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Marvellous. Not sure if we're allowed to eat on the couch, but anyway, we're eating on the couch.